Hey there, welcome back to our channel Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to log into Social Work Cas. It's a very quick and simple step. All you gotta do is follow along and you'll be logged in no time. First thing first, open up your preferred web browser. I prefer Google Chrome, so let's type in there. And at the search bar, let's type in Social Work Cas logins. We're going to log in and hit enter. And here, make sure you tap into the official site, which is this one right here. And you'll be greeted with this login page. All you gotta do is fill in those empty fields. You might want to zoom in a little bit. And let's type in our username at first. I'm typing random words right here. You make sure you tap in your actual information. Let's type in our password. Now, if you've forgotten your password or even your username, you don't need to worry at all. You can simply tap in this option right here that says forgot your username or password. And if you're really applying to Social Work Cas, you can simply tap in here. And I hope you have an account, but if you do not have an account, you can simply tap in that option that is create an account, and it will help you through. Now, since we have already typed in all our credentials, all we gotta do now is hit that sign in button and you'll be signed in or logged into your Social Work Cas. That's it. I hope this video was helpful. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Tech Basics. We'll see you in the next video.